so it's always windy up here. And we're probably getting 7, 8, 9 mile an hour winds right now. But they'll gust to 15 or 20 on a clear day with nothing happening. And when there's any disturbance at all, the wind rips across the lake, piles into the shore, hits the building, comes up the building, and has to go over the top. And it's hard to keep this umbrella in place. So I back it up some so I can hook it under the eave. And I have a pool noodle here to stop it from rubbing itself and ripping it up. But this is really mild, and this is what we get. So I sent away for a different umbrella that has, this one has a little vent at the top, but I sent away with one that has 3 tiers, so it has 2 vents. And I'm hoping that'll make a positive difference. So let's get the new one out. Maybe can do this without trip to the emergency room, for which I am famous. There are days when I'd like to come out here and read, but it's way too sunny. I like it. Still gonna use the pool noodle. Well, it's got that one, and it has that. But if I were to put it in this, it'd be shorter, right? But would it mean could push it farther out? I've got a few inches to do that. I like it. I don't think I have it all the way up. Mrs. Lincoln. All right. That's as far as it can go. I don't mind it being this low over here. I can still clear it. See? So I think this will be better than that one.